Lori Vallow's missing children. Our cameras in a Valley courtroom with connections to this case.
This hearing involving Vallow's niece, Melanie Boudreaux, her ex-husband claiming Melanie knows where those missing children are.
Our Claudia Rupsich was at today's hearing and spoke to Melanie's lawyer. Claudia?
Melanie and Brandon Boudreaux are going back and forth in a nasty custody battle for their own children. These are all of the documents from that case. But here's what we know. Melanie has been a part of this really tight group of people close to the missing kids. There's Lori Vallow, Alexander Cox, and of course, Chad Daybell.
Melanie Boudreaux is fighting for her 4 kids, claiming her ex-husband Brandon Boudreaux lied and that she has nothing to do with the disappearance of 7-year-old JJ Vallow and 17-year-old Tylee Ryan.
The fact that she is fond of her Aunt Lori and wants to be with her is not anything to use to cast aspersions against her.
Melanie's lawyer said she spoke to the FBI in Idaho several times, even giving them her laptop.
She did that at her own jeopardy. She did not invoke her right to remain silent, as was her right to do so. And she cooperated and participated because she's got nothing to hide.
In court filings, Brandon Boudreaux says Melanie followed Lori to Idaho, and she's a part of a cult where numerous members, adults, and children have been killed off like flies.
I'm looking at his petition, making allegations with not one shred of evidence.
Someone just shot my window.
On October 2nd, 2019, someone shot into Brandon's car as he was pulling up to his Gilbert home. Brandon claims Melanie conspired with Lori's brother Alex Cox to have him killed so that she could cash in on a policy to help support the cult she's a part of. Gilbert police haven't made any arrests.
You can only cover up a lie with more lies. You can't cover up a lie with truth.
Melanie's lawyer says Cox was in Idaho at the time, and Melanie had no involvement in the shooting. That's why she hasn't been charged.
I asked, how could Melanie still be fond of Lori Vallow even after her arrest and with the disappearance of her kids? Her lawyers told me they want to see that legal process play out before they cast any judgment.